Hi, today I'm going to explain to you what DeepSeek is. So basically, you can think of DeepSeek to the competitor to ChatGPT, right? It's one of those very intelligent AI model that really rivals ChatGPT, unlike Gemini or their current Llama model, right? So the model they're currently running right now is called DeepSeek R1. Now, DeepSeek's first generation of reasoning models with comparable performance to OpenAI's O1, including 6 dense models distinct from DeepSeek R1 based on Llama and Quen. Now you can see DeepSeek, what it means is that on the R1, it really thinks, right? So it really thinks. So for example, if I ask, what do you think is the source code for the popular game Clash Royale, for example, Clash Royale, and I turn on Deep Think R1 here and I give it to them. Now you can see it'll think first and then it'll show us what its thought process is, right? So the reasoning and the answer behind each of their response will be clear, right? So you can see it's really thinking, right? And then the response it's gonna give, you can tell that why it responded like that and what the thought process is like. Now you can see this is usually better than what AI free models usually give. Now you can see that this is comparable to OpenAI's most advanced model, which is the O1. And even the O1, you need to pay around $200 per month to even access that. Meanwhile, this is free and you can pick the R1 model anytime you'd like, right? So this is why a lot of people on the tech market is pretty uh, enthusiastic about this current AI model. So, if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.